OTA. There are now two ways to upgrade your vehicle, which are Powered Vehicle Upgrade and Remotely Scheduled Upgrade. Powered Vehicle Upgrade. Check the OTA software package button on the vehicle details page. Check the guide on the OTA interface. Check all the reminders that are appearing on the upgrade interface. Set up the vehicle according to the guide on the OTA page. Upgrade the vehicle after completing all the conditions. The vehicle will get into a brand new state after all. Remotely Scheduled Upgrade, only available in multiple models. Select the OTA upgrade appointment time from anywhere you like. The vehicle will automatically upgrade when arriving at the scheduled time, and it will get the vehicle into a brand new status the next day.